Hey guys, I fabbed up an aluminum heat shield for my firewall. Stick around, I'll show you how I've done it. Some of it. Yeah, 429 is a tight fit up in there. That's a big old motor. Big old motor in this little coupe. This thing ought to boogie on down the road. You hear me? Welcome back to the School of Rat Rodology, a little shop where dreams come true. My name is Rat Rod Bob, and I build stuff. So I'm in the process of building a sound deadening heat shield for a firewall on a 34 Coupe. Basically, it's just two thin sheets of aluminum back to back to make one sheet. Yeah, it's 2-ply aluminum, basically, thin aluminum. Pipe insulation. I use it in plants to insulate pipe. Yeah, I'm about to set the body on, hopefully for the last time, for a long time. Finish building the car with it on, hopefully. But I want to put that heat shield on the firewall first. Yeah, I'll crank this thing up again, let it run another 15 minutes, 20 minutes, so it runs great. Actually, the water leak fixed itself. Remember the timing cover was dripping water? It's not dripping anymore. I was gonna take it off and fix it, but it fixed itself, so I'm gonna run it and see what happens. Yeah, it's just thin aluminum, really thin. Got some kind of coating on one side, but yeah, they wrap pipe basically in plants that they want to keep the contents of the pipe hot or cold, probably hot. They wrap insulation around the pipe, and then they wrap this aluminum around to hold insulation. Yeah, so I got a lot of it. I've been using it for years. You've seen, got some on the Falcon door panels, Dirty John door panels, and yeah, so yeah, firewall, sound deadening, heat proof, heat resistant, heat barrier, whatever you're gonna call it. Anyway, I'm doing it. So I got my 2 pieces cut for the passenger side. This is gonna be against the firewall. It's got a little fiberglass on, it's kind of rough. This one's gonna be on the engine side, shiny side. And I got my 2 bends, straight bends. I put my brake. The other ones are not. Well, I might could do this one. I could probably do this one in my brake too. But this one's curved, this one's curved. So, but what's gonna happen is this is gonna go here. Kind of like that. And these edges are gonna get folded over all the way around to make a 2-ply aluminum. And have a little tiny air gap in between them. So, it should do some good sound deadening and heat shield, so that's what I'm shooting for. So I got my 2 pieces. I went ahead and put that in my brake. I got some clamps. I got that. I'm just gonna start right there. Kind of hold this down. On this side. gonna need some leaf cuts now. Because of this curve. Same here, probably not so much there, but probably in here I'm gonna need some relief. Something like that. Gotta get this one first, I think. Yeah, that'll work. So I sprayed some clear on my firewall panels, waiting for that to dry. I'm gonna fire up the old 429 Thunderjet again. Because what's gonna happen is, when I get the firewall back on, I'm gonna set the body back on, and it's probably gonna be a while before, months probably, before it fires up again, so I'll run it some more. What amazes me is, this thing don't have no choke on or nothing, but it fires right up and runs like it's perfect. That might mean the carburetor's a little fat idling, I don't know yet, but regardless, it might make a liar out of me, but we're gonna find out right now. Okay, give it a couple pumps, 2 pumps, ignition on, it's in park. All right, there's the finished product. Not too bad for a redneck, huh? Yeah, that's a 2-ply aluminum sheet, 1/4-inch firewall, fiberglass. There ought to be that should make a pretty good heat shield, sound deadening. Yeah, 2-ply. We're gonna find out. Yeah, that works for me. There we go. Got the body on. That should keep some of the heat from the exhaust off the firewall, a little bit of it. Sound deadening, heat shield, should be fine. Transmission dipstick's a little tight there, but it'll be all right. I can get to it, no problem. Everything looking good. It's all looking good. So far, so good. Now I can install the roll bar, all the interior metal structure. I've still got to fab up a dash, fiberglass dash, console, all that stuff. So yeah, I got a lot of work left to do. But I can get the roll bar, a lot of metal structure in, and start putting some of the interior together. Get to the point where I can build a dash. Probably gonna be the next big project. Hey guys, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. I got the best subscribers on YouTube. Matter of fact, if you want to be one, subscriptions are free all week. All right guys, we getting it. We just ain't got it yet. Appreciate you. See you next time.